Hello everyone, this is Bemi here, designer on the team, and this is sprint update for the 11th of May 2021. In this sprint, design covered a couple of modules on the application and some redesigns of the screens. Also some requests gotten from Mukwashi staff as well, updates on design, to the design system, and also exploring the incident reporting module. So in this sprint, one thing, we're still working on the redesign of the application, and one thing I worked on is the edit user page. So what is it going to look like? And how can we group important information and also take out some fields that are not useful anymore, that we added and maybe forgotten over time. So I decided to group the user edit screen into two different sections: personal information and community information. So on personal information, you can edit the user's name, primary phone number, email address, and all of those. And then under community information, you can edit user type, account state, and then customer journey stage as well. So some fields were taken out, such as the expiry date of user. It was useful at some points, but not anymore. So we decided to take that out to make the application cleaner. Another thing worked on in this sprint is also the ability to make payments from the dashboard and also from the on the payments page rather. So currently we have this make new payment button on the dashboard. So if Nkwashi staff or Nkwashi admins, for instance, want to make payments, instead of having to go to all the way to a particular user, we can do this from just the dashboard. So when you click new payment, a modal comes up and you can put in the amount, the plot number, and also you can now select the user that you are making payment from the dashboard, as well as transaction type and other information that's usually used for payment purposes. Also on the payments page, there's now a make payment button here. So essentially you don't have to go all the way to the user page to be able to make payments for a particular client's plot or make a deposit. And it's easier here and it's a better experience as well. Another thing worked on in this sprint is also the ability to withdraw unallocated funds from your wallet on your dashboard. So here you can see the unallocated funds. You can click withdraw and then click the withdrawal amount. Also, for a better experience, I decided to add the unallocated fund amount here. So when you are typing, you definitely can see this amount here. You know that that what you are withdrawing should definitely not be more than the money you have in your wallet. So this is the error state if you do not have sufficient balance for this. This sprint also, in order to ensure there's consistency across the application and also for engineers to be able to go ahead to put styles and components together without requesting designs from the designer. I have also added labels, improved upon the design system and added labels. So currently we have two different types of labels that we use on the application: status label and removable label. So this is what the status label looks like, and the removable labels have the cancel button and are removable. Also, another thing added upon is cards. So currently and moving forward, we currently have two different card styles. So this is the inactive state of this card style, and then this is the active state. When you hover over it in the active state, there's a shadow under. So here you can have card title and then the label, and also here as well. So for now, we'll try to make the while designing to make use of these card styles, and also these are reusable elements that the engineers can use. Another thing we explored in this sprint is the incident reporting module. So what do we want the experience for our clients to look like, or users of this application, if they have issues or incidents they'd like to report to the community that they are in. So ability to search for assignees. You can see all cases that you have and then their status as well. You can view an issue that you have, and then you can see all the information as well as the activity. So you can see activity that the city or managers of the city are performing on your issue. You can also go ahead to report an issue, put your uploaded pictures on your admin end. You can assign this to somebody else. Um, you can assign this to somebody else. You can also view where in the city this issue is um, on the map. And you can select from a range of different departments and different people in the community that you want to assign this to. You can decide to assign publicly or internally. In the instance where this is public, then the people that have, or the person rather, the user that has lodged this complaint will be able to see the updates on this. And if it's internally, they can only see that you've assigned it to somebody else, but they can't see who it is. Also, admins can view all issues um, that people have posted, and then they can go ahead to address them. This would also be fully fleshed out with different case scenarios as well as time goes on. I'm looking forward to next sprint.